Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the essentials are present so you can run tests now. Install Jest, React Testing Library, and MSW, then add a test script to package. JSON so npm test runs. Once done, write a minimal smoke test that renders your app and asserts main UI text is visible. This first step proves the harness works and saves time. It also surfaces config issues early so you can fix them before writing detailed tests. Now move into interaction testing to validate behavior, not implementation. Use user event to simulate typing and clicks, then assert DOM changes. This ensures your UI responds like a user expects. Meanwhile, mock network calls with MSW, so tests are deterministic, control error, and success responses to cover branches. Once interaction tests are stable, isolate complex state by testing hooks directly with React Hooks Testing Library. Together, these finish by running coverage and adding tests for critical paths, aiming for meaningful % coverage rather than chasing every line. Integrate tests into CI to run headless and surface regressions early. Make CI fail on known flakes so they get fixed. If you encounter flakiness, make sure to await async operations properly, use MSW to stabilize network responses, and reset mocks between tests. This prevents intermittent failures and explains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.